Today we will become outdoor explorers.
We will have so much fun exploring the great outdoors. There are so many wonderful things to see and learn right outside. But before we get started, friends, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come and sing. With Miss P's it's fun, you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to keep an eye out and count how many times our cheeky little Milo mouse pops up in today's show.
Let's go on an adventure right here outside. Do you like exploring, friends? You do? That's great! We're going to be nature detectives. This is called a magnifying glass. Can you say it together with us, friends? Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Great job, everyone. Magnifying glasses helps us look closely at teeny tiny things like bugs, leaves, and tree bark.
Let's start exploring like real detectives. Grab your magnifying glass and follow us. Look, friends. This is a caterpillar. A caterpillar is a little bug that crawls and eats leaves. It's soft and wiggly, like a tiny worm with legs. Just look how it moves.
Wow, Miss P1. The caterpillar looks very hungry, munching on those green leaves.
That's right, Miss P2. Caterpillars are very hungry and eat lots and lots of leaves every day. Munch, munch, munch.
Look over here, friends. A butterfly just landed on a pretty flower.
Wow, isn't it pretty?
A butterfly is a pretty bug with big colourful wings. It can fly in the sky like a bird. Look, there it goes. Watch it fly, friends.
It's time to move our bodies like nature. Stand up, explorers.
We're going to copy how things move in nature, friends.
Listen to the music and follow along with us, friends. Are you ready?
You are. Let's go! Dance to the music before we get started.
Ready, friends?
Creep like a caterpillar. Go to the ground.
Well done.
Great wriggling.
Flutter like a butterfly, soft and round.
Wow, what beautiful butterflies you all are. Now, stretch like a tree, tall and wide. Tall and wide, 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 tall and wide.
Now, let's buzz like a bee.
Then run and hide. Ready? Run and hide. Buzz. Run and hide. Great job. Now let's tiptoe through the garden. Quiet as a breeze. Ready? Now stop and freeze like a tree. Great job, friends. Amazing body movement, friends. We moved just just like the creatures and trees we see outdoors.
Let's look through our magnifying glasses and explore and learn about some more teeny tiny bugs and other things we might see outside.
Let's go, friends. Look at this tiny bug, friends. Let's observe it. That means we look very closely at it with our magnifying glass.
This is a beetle, friends. A beetle is a little bug with a hard shell on its back. It can walk, crawl, and some can even fly.
Wow. Look, Miss P1. Look what I found. This is a ladybug. A ladybug is a small red beetle with black spots.
Wow, it's so pretty, Miss P2. Look at this spiky pine cone. Wow, it looks bumpy and spiky.
It does.
A pine cone is something that falls from a pine tree. It is hard, a little spiky, and shaped like an egg or a pineapple.
Wow, be careful of the spikes, Miss P1. Oh, look at this bumpy leaf. It's got lots of ridges and bumps. That's its texture. Can you say texture together with us, friends? Texture. Great job, friends. A texture is what something feels like. A leaf grows on a tree or a plant. It is flat, light, and comes in many shapes and colours.
Now let's try to discover something new. What can you find?
Look, friends, I see a yellow flower. It's yellow, smells so sweet. A flower is a pretty part of a plant. Flowers can be like many colours. Red, yellow, pink, purple, or even my favourite colour, blue. Flowers have soft petals. They can be big or small. They smell so pretty, and some grow on bushes, some grow on trees, and some grow in gardens.
Isn't nature beautiful?
It sure is, Miss P1.
That was such fun, and we learned so much. We have explored things we find on the ground. Let's look up at the sky and see what we can see there.
I see clouds, Miss P1. Lots of beautiful fluffy white clouds. Look at the different shapes. Some even look like different things. That one over there looks like a puppy dog, a cute little puppy dog. If you look really hard, can you see it, friends?
That one looks like a bunny, and that one looks like an ice cream. What shapes or pictures can you see, friends? Wow, friends, you spotted some great things. Well done.
We're using our imagination to create pictures out of the clouds as we look up at the sky. It's such fun to look up and find different pictures or shapes in the clouds.
What's that?
That's your shadow, Miss P1. We all have shadows. Shadows are such interesting things. A shadow is a dark shape that happens when something blocks the light. When the sun or light shines on you, it makes a shadow on the ground or the wall. A shadow looks just like you.
Wow, Miss P2, that is interesting. So, because the sun is behind me and my body is blocking it, it's made a shadow.
Yes, that's right, Miss P1. Great job. See if you can see your shadow next time you're outside playing in the sun, friends, and watch it move as you move. It's so much fun.
Now let's play a shadow game. Try copying us as we move and be our shadow, friends. Let's play some music and move like shadows.
Are you ready, friends? Let's wave our arms like a wave. Ready? Well done! Great copying, little shadows.
Now bend and stretch. stretch. Ready? Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. One more. Bend and stretch. Well done.
Now, heel and in. Ready?
Heel
And in.
heel
And in. Great copying.
and in. Heel.
And
Good. Now let's step to the side 2 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap. Again. 1, 2, clap, clap. 1, 2, clap, clap.
Well done, friends. Last one is a tricky one. Are you ready, friends?
Tap, 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 tap,
I've got lots of this one. Too fast.
One last time. Great job, friends. You were such great shadows. Shadows are fun.
You even tricked me up on that last one, Miss P1.
Let's go on a scavenger hunt. That means we're going to find special things in nature. There is a list of pictures at the bottom of things we need to find. See how many things you can find from our special scavenger hunt list.
You will need your sharp detective eyes to spot all of the items on the list below. Are you ready, friends?
You are. Let's go. Great job, friends! Did you find everything on our list? Did you find the bumpy leaf? What about the ladybug? The round stone? The long stick?
What about the fluffy cloud shaped as a house? Or the pretty butterfly? And what about the blue flower?
You did? Great job, friends! You found them all!
We learned so much today, friends, and had so much fun. Let's sing a song to sum up all that we've learned today, friends.
Let's go outside. What do we see? A ladybird's crawling near a tree. Buzz goes the bee, flap goes the bird. So many sounds have you heard? We're outdoor explorers, hooray, hooray. Discovering nature every day. We tiptoe, look and listen too. There's magic outside just waiting for you. Look at our shadows dancing along. They stretch and sway when the sun is strong. Let's chase them now. Run, run, run. Outdoor exploring is so much fun. Crawl like a bug, slow and low. Feel the grass and let it grow. Find a leaf that's bumpy or smooth. Touching and learning as we move. Nature detectives, eyes open wide. Let's go find where the snails might hide. Clouds in the sky or a feather on ground. Let's whisper what we found. A feather, a rock, a tiny bug. We're outdoor explorers, hooray, hooray. Playing and learning in every way. From bugs to trees, from sky to ground. Let's explore the world all around.
Great job, friends! That was great singing. How many times did you see our cheeky little Milo mouse pop up in today's show? That's right, friends! Milo popped up 6 times today. Can you count to 6 together with us? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well done, friends. You were amazing outdoor explorers today.
It's time for us to go now, friends, but we look forward to learning with you again next time, right here at Miss P's Playhouse. And remember, friends,
Smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.
Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon.
Remember,
smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.